Hi guys, happy October! Sorry this video is kind of late. I am waiting for some things to come in the mail for some looks that I'm going to be doing this month, and they haven't arrived yet. So I've been kind of like, what am I going to do in the meantime? Because I said I was going to do Halloween videos, and I want to. So I'm just going to do kind of like a Halloween cop-out. I'm going to be doing a vampire, or in my case, a GLAMpire. It's very simple. All you need is some teeth and some stuff. We're going to jump right into it, so stay tuned, and I will see you guys in a minute. All right, so we're going to start off by priming the skin today with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this. And I just got, from the store, the new Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray, which is really cool. You shake it to activate it. I have yet to use this, so we'll use this today to see how it sets everything at the end. So, you know, fun. We're going to start with brows as usual, and then I'll be right back. All right, so now that the brows are done, we're going to move on to the eyes. Since this is a vampire or a GLAMpire look, we're going to do a smoky eye, of course, because I love smoky eyes. And they're really simple, so let's do that. We're going to go in with our e.l.f. Eye Putty Primer, and I think this is like the next shade down from white. It's the neutral shade, and we're going to put this all over the lid. And for the majority of this eye look today, we're going to be using the new Jeffree Star Orgy palette. I know it's been out for a little while, but it took me a little bit to get it because my sister ordered it and she doesn't live in the States. So I've used it once. Gorgeous palette. This is literally everything you need. This is like a makeup artist's dream palette for real. So I'm going to use this and start building my smoky eye. We're going to go into the shade Craving Chocolate. Next, we're going to dip into a little bit of Invitation Only. Now, I'm not using that gel liner for a base because most of this eye is going to be glitter. So I don't really need the black base right now, but when we get into the darkness, I'll just use a really dark black eyeshadow to create that smoke that I need. I was a GLAMpire last year for Halloween, and I had lashes and the teeth and all that stuff, so I'm kind of recreating that, but I'm doing the eyeshadow a little bit different. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Halo. This is really nice. It's kind of like the concealer, but I don't think it has like that thickness that a concealer does. If that makes sense. I don't know. And while this is still wet, I'm going to stick the glitter right to it. We're going to be using the NYX Red Glitter. So now that the base of the eye is done, I'm going to go in later and add a little bit more black. However, I wanted to line my eyes, and I did get a new eyeliner. This is the Rare Beauty eyeliner, and it's called the Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner. I just got it, haven't used it yet, but it has bristles instead of a felt tip, and you guys know I love my bristles, so let's give it a go. Rare Beauty, Selena Gomez. Doesn't perform that well over glitter, but all in all, it's all right. Probably wasn't the best video to try out this eyeliner, but I do like it, so. Let's get our favorite black eyeshadow, the Blackout Eyeshadow by Urban Decay, and darken it up. now that the top is done, we're gonna do the skin, and then we're gonna go back in and do the lowers. Okay. So I'm looking at my foundations here, and I'm trying to think of one that's the most whitest. And I don't know. I do have this MAC Pro Shivering White Powder that I'll set my face with, so that'll help lighten it. So I guess I could just use whatever, right? All right. Guess I'll use the Futurist Hydra Rescue to keep my skin hydrated, you know? Since I'm going to be piling a lot of powder on top of it. Supposed to be dead, so let me grab the whitest concealer I got. The Jeffree Star concealer. Pretty freaking white. White. So traditionally I would use my normal bronzer and all that stuff, but since it's vampire-esque, I'm going to be using the cremated palette and some of the shades in here to kind of contour and stuff with my skin. I will use blush though, because I got to use my blush, right? So let's start contouring. Maybe a little bit of life insurance. We'll see how it plays out. Oh, there we go, yeah. And I will use it like I would use my normal one. Let's go with a Daydream Gaudy blush to make it look like I was trying to keep myself alive. Doing my best here to like look good but look dead. I don't know. Brows turned out a little bit bigger than I would prefer, but whatevs. Let's try this out. This video is now jumping all over the place because I'm just like, oh, I need to do this. Oh, I need to do this. So just bear with me. this look is best with lashes, but I currently don't have any, so it is what it is. Halloween makeup is so fun. I just get it so into it. I'm like, ah! Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go put on my finishing touches and I'll be right back. And there we have it, you guys. These teeth are the hardest things to talk in, but that's okay. This is the video for today. Thank you guys so much for your patience. I think for this month, since I'm waiting on all of the stuff to come in the mail, maybe I'll do one video a week for the month. If I can upload more, of course I will. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you had a lot of fun. I know I did. Halloween makeup and Halloween type stuff is just the best. This necklace, though. This came with my wigs that I got from my glamour shop video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you check me out on Instagram at RobbyZMakeup, and all my other social media handles are the same. And always remember, beauty is what you make it. No matter how it turns out, you can always take it off. I'm gonna go take photos, so bye!